So in this time of year, what are the main diseases that you'd be managing on your green surfaces?
Yeah, obviously with the high dews at this time of the year, our primary disease that we have is dollar spot. So looking to control that as the temperatures shift lower below that 10 degrees crucial point. We're starting to looking at winter Fusarium. Those are our two main diseases in winter.
You were chosen as one of the sites to run the Exteris Stressgard trial. Just your overall observations on, I know disease pressure from previous conversation was low, but just your overall feedback on how that product was to use and how it appeared on the actual turf surface.
Yeah, so appearance-wise, we ran the Exteris on half the grains and Reserve Stressgard on the other half. The Exteris was less artificial than the Reserve. It obviously carried less active ingredient, which from an environmental standpoint is a lot better. We didn't get dollar spot in any of the greens, so none with the Reserve or the Exteris. Yeah,
and with Exteris Stressgard, how do you see that potentially being integrated into a future fungicide program?
Yeah, well, I think obviously the active ingredient is new to the turf market, and it's obviously crucial to rotate your fungicide groups, and that's obviously what we're looking at doing here. We try to vary it up as much as possible throughout the year. Obviously, you're fighting dollar spot in spring and autumn, so rotation is key.
So then obviously you manage a wide range of diseases, and we've discussed some of the diseases that you're managing currently for this time of year. Are there any other Stressgard products that you use from the Bayer range for diseases at other points of the year? Yeah, just interested to get your feedback on what products you use.
Yeah, so obviously during summer out here it gets extremely hot. Temperatures this year reached over 43 degrees. We were struggling obviously with the temperatures. Our biggest problem here is water quality, that and obviously older greens. That brings in our main diseases being Pythium and Anthracnose. We try to manage those with Stressgard products as well, using Signature and Reserve as a tank mix. Works really well at combating both those diseases. During the peak of summer we were using Signature Stressgard fortnightly, and this year we had no Pythium outbreaks, which was very good. I've found that when you're out there hand watering in the afternoons, the moisture levels of stress 4 to 5% lower post a Stressgard application. That's within one day. See a dramatic change.